Connecting a Targus docking station is simple and transforms your laptop into a full workstation. First, connect the provided USB-C or Thunderbolt cable from the dock to your laptop. Next, install the necessary drivers and software, which you can find on Targus's website or through their app. For video, plug your monitors into the HDMI or DisplayPort outputs on the dock. Finally, connect your keyboard, mouse, and other peripherals into the USB ports. This setup expands your laptop's connectivity, allowing for multiple displays and devices with a single cable. When troubleshooting docking station issues, start by ensuring your laptop's firmware is fully updated. Outdated firmware can cause compatibility problems with modern USB-C docks. Next, install the Targus DisplayLink software for the latest video drivers. This software ensures smooth operation with multiple monitors and high-resolution displays. If a monitor isn't displaying properly, first check the cable connection and then adjust resolution settings in your operating system display preferences. For charging issues, verify that your laptop supports power delivery up to 100 watts and is compatible with the dock's USB-C specifications. A common mistake is skipping driver installation. Always download the proper drivers from the Targus website or app to ensure full functionality. Targus offers AI-assisted setup wizards that can reduce setup time significantly and guide you through the process step by step. If problems persist, Targus provides 24/7 customer service through live chat for immediate assistance and troubleshooting help.